Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects many people, blood clots. We'll be discussing some effective home remedies that may help dissolve blood clots and improve your overall health. First, let's understand what blood clots are. Blood clots are gel-like collections of blood that form in your veins or arteries to stop excessive bleeding after an injury. However, sometimes clots form when they shouldn't, leading to health issues. Common types include deep vein thrombosis, DVT, and pulmonary embolism, PE, which can be dangerous if not treated properly. Now that we know what blood clots are, let's explore some natural remedies that might help manage them. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and blood-thinning properties. Simply add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a glass of warm milk and drink it daily. 2. Garlic. Garlic has allicin, which can help reduce blood clot formation. Try putting raw garlic into your diet or take garlic supplements. 3. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that can improve blood flow and reduce clotting risks. Drink 1 to 2 cups of green tea a day. 4. Ginger. Works very good by reducing clotting. You can make ginger tea by boiling fresh ginger slices in water for about 10 minutes. Drink this tea twice daily. 5. Apple cider vinegar. To improve blood flow and prevent clots, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before meals. 6. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Dehydration can make your blood thicker and more prone to clotting. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. 7. Nuts and seeds. Adding nuts and seed like almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds to your diet can help reduce clot formation. They contain omega-3 fatty acids. 8. Alongside these remedies, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is very important. Regular exercise, such as walking or stretching, can improve circulation. Avoid sitting for long periods and try to elevate your legs when resting. Thank you for watching. Remember, always consult your doctor before trying any new remedies. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Stay healthy and see you next time.